What's going on, guys? Here at Bonnie Springs, as you can see, let the good times roll.
I thought this was the end. I'm like, wait, there's more.
It's like these are the last days of Bonnie Springs. So it's probably one of the last few car shows that they're going to be hosting. It's going to be sad to see this place go, guys. But in the meantime, let's look at some of these cars. 1 second here. Yeah, it's going to be very sad to see this place go. See if maybe we could talk to some of these drivers. Oh man, look at this one. Look at this one, y'all. I'm not saying this is the one I would choose to be driving, but man, this is like a 50s Impala. Amazing. Even the seats, they sparkle like glitter. Amazing stuff. Gotta like that green. That green though. How about that green though? Uh-oh, there go 13, Cats 58.
Finishing up my 71 F-250 right now, so doing some wiring.
So where are you stationed on?
I'm stationed out of San Diego right now.
Okay, my dad was out of Long Beach for 30-something years. So yeah, I've been the same house. After 32 years in the Navy, he went over to the Virginia thing.
Oh man, this car smells brand new. Uh-oh, I think I found my car, y'all. I think I found a car I'll be driving. If I could take one of these babies off the lot. What's this? Impala, Super Sport. Nice, nice, nice. How you doing, man?
Alright.
This your ride right here?
No, the purple one's mine.
Oh man, nice.
That's the same engine in it though.
What kind of engine is this?
That's a Vortec. Out of a Chevy truck.
Yes, sir.
Hi.
Hi.
Nice, huh?
Very nice. Very, very nice.
Like I'm Miss Daisy back of that car.
Oh, really?
I do. I'm like, Sir Steve, take me wherever I want to go.
Yeah, that's the same motor I have.
So how many horsepower does this motor get?
It's like 305.
Wow.
This was built from the ground.
Yeah. Fuel injected.
Okay, okay. But you know, it's such a heavy car, right? So it's not gonna blast off like.
It's not. These cars are not that heavy.
They not that heavy?
No.
So my 4,000-pound LS Lexus weight.
This came out of a pickup truck. Weighs about 6,000-7,000 pounds. So if you put it in this and drag the thing around like.
Yeah.
Tell you what, it's got a lot of get up and go.
Yeah, it does.
Oh my goodness.
I
Wonderful.
didn't know he had the truck motor.
Yeah.
That had a lot of torque.
This was all hand. This was, like I said, this was built from his uncle, him, his cousin. Yeah.
It's kind of sad this place gonna be closing pretty soon, huh?
Yeah, I haven't been here in years. Our friend's daughter was a baby.
Yeah. A lot of memories.
Yeah, we had a lot of fun here.
Yeah, actually, I work for a company that they bring customers here to ride the horses.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so this is gonna be my last few days working out here.
Wow. It's a shame. My husband, you got a part of Wild West show.
Right, right.
I did all the work on it.
Nice talking to you folks. God bless you. Yeah, y'all. I like this blue one. Yeah, I like this blue one right here, y'all. Man, I just know I would love driving around this one. Man, I would love driving around this one. Since they call this probably a teal green. Now, this the real milkshake that brings all the boys to the yard, and they like it's better than yours. All right, who got the best car? I don't know, y'all. Y'all let me know. This red one nice too, though. Blue one or the red one? Blue one or the red one? I think I'll take both. I like the blue one better though. I like the front grille of this blue one.
Oh, I was right behind you. Fox Body Mustang.
Oh yeah, you were going in over there.
This is a Dodge 383 Magnum. Oh my goodness. I know this one fast. I still take the blue Impala though. This one's a little more smaller, but I bet this baby can get up. Man. Here go another 13. 8G 49. All these 13s all over the place, guys. I'm about to wrap this video up real soon, but in the meantime, let's get a wide view of everything. Well, actually, I didn't check out the yellow one.
What year is the Jeep? 70 or so? 71.
Let's check out the yellow one.
Actually, let me show you something.
You know what I like about these cars is that you can actually, changing the battery, the way everything is set up, you can actually get to everything you're trying to fix. That's what's so dope. Man, look, this one right here. Wow. This is Courtney, guys. Courtney works at Bonnie Springs Ranch. What up, Courtney? You definitely gonna be on YouTube. Yeah, let's get a wide angle view, guys, before I close it out. My battery's running down, so I don't have too much time left. But yeah, this is how we go. All right, guys, like I said, it's the last few days of Bonnie Springs Ranch. Y'all see how beautiful it is out here. It's going to be a shame that this place, was sold for $30-some million to the city, and they're going to come in and change things, and then that's going to cause other properties to change. So it's unfortunate, but the place has been here for a long time. I understand that it used to be a trading post. I understand also that the place is haunted, and I can't verify that. Long story. Oh, we got one more car. Check out. We got one more car, y'all. I think this might be the best. Maybe to say the best for last. Yeah, these cars, I mean, they look like they're easy to work on. That's one thing I really like about them. So this is a Ventura. Oh, man, goodness, look at that motor, y'all. Another teal green. Man, these cars are something else, boy, I tell you. Just gorgeous. I might have to rock this Ventura. I think this Ventura might be the best one, guys. It says no hiking. I always wanted to know, because I saw some people when it was snowing. It was back here anyway. I was like, where y'all going? Where y'all come from? But it says no hiking. But you can get lost out here, guys. You can get lost out in this place. I don't want to go off too far. I know they got some snakes out here. Yeah, ain't that beautiful, y'all? Let's get out of here before I end up in some Twilight Zone episode. Yeah, I like that Ventura, guys. I like this green, this teal green Ventura right here. Really nice. Yeah, guys, so I think we're gonna wrap it up. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. It's the Conscious One coming at you. Y'all take care out there, and peace.